Hi ma'am, sana masagot ito. Ididi ko ma'am June 20, 2024. Kailangan ba ma'am October, November, December 2023 sa 3 months na yan may hulog ako para makaklaim ako ng maternity? Thank you so much. Hi Beb! For today's video, sasagutin natin yung question ni Beb Mark Angelo. Beb, kung ang EDD mo ay June 2024 at para malaman kung ikaw ay qualified sa maternity benefits, i-exclude natin ang semester of contingency mo na mula January 2024 to June 2024. Now, ang magiging qualifying months mo ay mula January 2023 to December 2023. Diyan po magsiselect ng at least 3 to 6 highest monthly salary credits at syempre dapat may hulog ka sa nasabing qualifying period para makompute ang maternity benefits mo. Regarding sa question mo na kailangan bang may hulog ang October, November, December 2023 at I assume na wala kang kahit anong hulog sa qualifying period mo, my answer is yes. Kahit October 2023 to December 2023 lang ang mabayaran mo, ay qualified ka na sa maternity benefits. But make sure bago matapos ang December 2023, dapat bayad mo na ito para iwas late payment. Sana'y nasagot ko ang iyong katanungan. Thank you and God bless. Follow for more.